Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a journey to explore a daily routine rooted in ancient Japanese traditions, specifically designed to enhance the well-being of those over 60. As we age, maintaining mobility, strength, and a clear mind becomes paramount. The beauty of these practices lies in their simplicity, gentleness, and profound effectiveness. They don't require any special equipment or a gym membership, just a few minutes of your day and a willingness to connect with your body. These aren't strenuous workouts. Instead, they are mindful movements that have been passed down through generations, cherished for their ability to promote longevity and vitality. They focus on improving circulation, boosting energy, and fostering a sense of calm and balance. So, if you're looking for a sustainable way to feel more vibrant, flexible, and centered, you've come to the right place. Let's explore these 4 timeless Japanese moves together and see how they can transform your daily life. Our first move is a foundational practice known as seiza, which translates to proper sitting. While it may seem simple, its benefits are extensive. Seiza is a traditional way of sitting on the floor, folding your legs underneath your thighs. For many, sitting on the floor this way might be challenging at first, and that's perfectly okay. You can ease into it by using a cushion or a small stool under your hips for support. The key is to listen to your body and avoid any pain. So, how do we practice it? Find a comfortable spot on the floor, kneel down, rest your buttocks on your heels, and place your hands gently on your thighs. Keep your back straight, but not rigid. Your shoulders should be relaxed, and your gaze soft. Try to hold this position for just 1 minute to start. Focus on your breathing, deep, slow inhales and long, gentle exhales. The magic of seiza lies in how it aligns the spine, improves posture, and aids digestion. This posture gently stretches the ankles, knees, and thighs, promoting flexibility in the lower body. More importantly, it encourages a state of mental calm and focus. Practicing seiza for a few minutes each morning can help set a peaceful and centered tone for your entire day. It's a moment of stillness, a chance to quiet the mind before the day's activities begin. Remember, consistency is more important than duration. Even 1 minute a day will make a difference. Now let's move on to our second practice, a wonderful exercise for waking up the entire body called the Kingyo Undo, or the goldfish exercise. This move was developed by a Japanese health master and is designed to mimic the gentle, flowing movement of a goldfish swimming. Its primary purpose is to stimulate the spinal column, improve circulation, and release tension throughout the body. It's particularly beneficial for relieving back stiffness, which can be a common issue as we get older. To perform the goldfish exercise, lie flat on your back on a firm but comfortable surface, like a yoga mat or a carpeted floor. Extend your legs straight out and bring your feet together. Clasp your hands and place them under your head or neck for support. Now, the movement itself, imagine you are a goldfish, keeping your body straight. Begin to gently and rhythmically wiggle your hips and feet from side to side. The motion should originate from your core and spine, causing your entire body to undulate like a fish swimming through water. It's not a large, forceful movement, but a subtle, continuous sway. Start slowly and find a rhythm that feels natural and relaxing. Practice this for about 1 to 2 minutes. You should feel a gentle release of tension along your spine and an increase in warmth as your circulation improves. The goldfish exercise is an excellent way to gently energize your body, especially in the morning or whenever you feel stiff and sluggish. For our third move, we'll explore a dynamic stretching technique known as shiko, a fundamental stance in sumo wrestling. Now, don't worry, we won't be engaging in any wrestling. We're adapting the core principle of this movement for its incredible health benefits, particularly for strengthening the lower body and improving balance. Shiko is essentially a deep squat that builds power in the legs and hips, which is crucial for maintaining mobility and preventing falls. To begin, stand with your feet spread wide apart, much wider than your shoulders, with your toes pointing slightly outwards. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly bend your knees and lower your hips, as if you're about to sit down in a very low chair. Keep your back straight and your chest lifted. Go only as low as is comfortable for you. The goal is to feel a stretch and engagement in your inner thighs and glutes, not to cause strain. Place your hands on your knees for support. From this deep squat position, the traditional move involves lifting one leg straight up to the side before stomping it down. For our daily routine, we'll simplify it. While in the squat, gently shift your weight from one foot to the other. Feel the stability in your core. Then, straighten your legs to come back up to a standing position. Repeat this deep squat and gentle weight shift 5 to 10 times. This move is fantastic for building functional strength in your hips, thighs, and core, which directly supports better balance and easier movement in everyday activities like getting up from a chair or climbing stairs. Finally, our fourth and final practice is a calming breathing technique called Empuku. Empuku is a form of abdominal self-massage combined with deep, diaphragmatic breathing. In traditional Japanese medicine, the abdomen, or hara, is considered the body's center of energy and vitality. This practice is designed to stimulate the internal organs, aid digestion, release emotional tension, and promote a deep sense of relaxation. It's the perfect way to conclude our routine, bringing the body and mind into a state of harmony. To practice Empuku, lie comfortably on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. This position helps to relax the abdominal muscles. Place both hands, one on top of the other, on your lower abdomen, just below your navel. Close your eyes and begin to breathe deeply into your belly. As you inhale, feel your abdomen rise and gently press into your hands. As you exhale, allow your abdomen to fall. Once you've established this rhythm of deep belly breathing, begin to apply gentle pressure with your hands. As you exhale, gently press down and make slow, clockwise circles around your navel. The pressure should be firm but comfortable, never painful. This circular massage helps to stimulate the digestive system and release any tightness held in the abdominal area. Continue this for 2 to 3 minutes, focusing entirely on the sensation of your breath and the gentle touch of your hands. Empuku is not just a physical practice. It's a meditative one that helps calm the nervous system, making it an excellent tool for managing stress and improving sleep. So there you have it, 4 ancient Japanese moves to integrate into your daily life. We started with Seiza for posture and mental clarity. Then, we energized the spine with the goldfish exercise. We built lower body strength and balance with the Shiko squat. And we concluded with a calming abdominal massage of Empuku. The true power of this routine lies in its consistency. By dedicating just 10 to 15 minutes each day, you are investing in your long-term health and vitality. You're not just exercising, you're engaging in a mindful practice that honors your body and nurtures your spirit. Remember to always listen to your body, modify the movements as needed, and approach each practice with patience and kindness toward yourself. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope these ancient practices bring you renewed energy, flexibility, and peace. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content on holistic well-being. We'd love to hear about your experience with these moves in the comments below. Stay well, stay active, and see you in the next video.